There she goes. Go! Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Monday, November the 4th, and yeah, we're starting off this one a little on the cold side. It's about 30 degrees. So here's what we got on tap for today. We've got 2 more soybean fields to do at Tyler, and then we got 1 field in the valley of soybeans, and then we are done. So we should finish up today. But it's going to be a while before we get started. As you see the frost on the ground behind me, we do have sunshine and no clouds, but we're going to go ahead and get them moved. Dad's going to go to the valley. I'm going to stay here at Tyler and finish those 2 fields. So we're going to be split up, but we're going to go ahead and get them moved, and then we're going to go up to the gravel pit and start getting the cotton picker ready to take that wheel off and replace that final drive. If you didn't watch the last video I did, the cotton picker wheel is locked up. The final drive gearbox on the outside on the wheel, drive wheel, is torn completely up. Part's supposed to be here today, so we're not anticipating working on it today. It'll probably be Tuesday, but we're going to go ahead and get the blocks and jacks and stuff, everything we need to get the picker jacked up. And also we're going to cut the cotton stalks where the trucks can get to it easy without running all over the cotton stalks. So that is what we got on tap for today. That is all I know right now. So let's get this video started.
All right.
One more.
Whoa, too much. Oh, man, my finger right there. That's fine.
Got it?
Boy.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
Way low on oil. Let's roll the tarp back, make sure there's no hydraulic leak inside.
Got a low hydraulic warning going off on the tractor, so we're gonna do a little investigating. Dad wants me to lower the hitch.
Climb up there and make sure it ain't no hydraulic leak.
It's gonna be slippery over there.
Back, just like that. Come on. Ease back now. Ease back. Come on. Come on back. Come on. Got it.
Yeah.
You have flat tires. Alright, you go the back way to the gravel pit.
This? Yeah.
Can you get it? thinking about this one. Put two big rims right. You won't have room to jack.
Where? Is this going on the head?
No, that's going underneath
This
the
way you
main
don't jack
frame.
off of?
Yeah.
Oh, that's heavy.
Now I need to go get blocks. Yeah, bring that. There's a bunch of them down at the gym we're going to get.
One right here.
Alright, yeah, that's good.
And another one right here.
Alright, keep going.
Another one.
Danny, you could be setting these up.
Put toward the front a little more. Is that on the edge? Is that gonna catch it? Can I come in some more or no?
Yeah, you come in with them. All right.
All right.
Got two 20-ton jacks and put one right here and one right beside it. And then we jacked together. That'd be better than one. I was thinking I was gonna go here, but it's off-centered. See,
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna work. But we can put stuff there to catch it in case something screws up. You know, safety.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down on top. Put two jacks pretty close together. As long as you're doing them, you know, the same amount,
Mm-hmm.
you'll be all right. All right. Let's crank it up and let your header down. Let's do this side first, and then we'll do this side.
Question is will it crank? 'Cause it was pretty cold this morning. They go down at the same time. They come up at different times. He'd want me to let one side down and then we'll let the other side down, but when they go down together. When you come up, you can let the right hand side come up, the left hand side come up at different times. All right, here we go. Also, during this whole process, I don't even think I've told y'all this, but the gate has popped open right here on the baler. Got a 74-inch bell in there. I cannot get this gate shut to get it wrapped. So, fortunately, we're probably gonna have to dump that one out on the ground and get that truck to come get it. But yeah, a lot of stuff was going wrong last day I was picking.
Well, like I was telling you, if an air wrench doesn't break it, you're gonna have to have a strong extensions way out here, and maybe some blocks to hold the wrench. And it's gonna be tough. Hopefully he's got a strong air wrench.
Well, we got the weight off the heads. We got boards all up under here holding the weight of all these heads. So as we jack up, we're gonna have to keep letting down on these heads to keep pressure. Get some weight off this cotton picker is basically what we're trying to do. We got the boards under here, our rims and the iron ready to jack this up. So anyway, she's pretty much ready to go. Nothing more to do here. We got some extra block in case we need it. Cut all the stalks around here so the trucks can get in here and work. Now we just need the part. Well guys, we are not quite ready to cut beans. Still waiting on the dew to dry just a little bit, but we're getting very, very close. So we're gonna go ahead and take an early lunch, and then we'll get started after that. So while I have y'all's attention, I wanted to make an announcement that we've got some new merchandise that came in on our website. We got the long sleeve shirts in. And these are the performance shirts. If you've never worn a performance shirt, I'm telling you, it is the softest shirt you'll ever wear. I absolutely love wearing these things. But yeah, we got navy, obviously, with the Triple R Farms logo. We got red, we got gray. We also have kid sizes. I know a lot of people were wanting to get some used sizes and asking me about it. Finally got them in. So we got kids Triple R Farms shirts too. So anyway, yeah, if you've been wanting a long sleeve Triple R Farms shirt, go to www.triple-rfarmsal.com. should be up here, and I'll leave a link in the description. But if you don't know how to go to that, just copy this up here. So let's fill up with gas, and I know we've been on the football theme for a while. Let's change it up today. So let's shoot some hoops, and then we'll go cut some beans. All right, it's been a while, so I got 3 cans. We'll see how it goes. Well, we didn't do too hot. We got 1 out of 3. I've been waiting a long time to say this. Should I say it? That is the last pass soybean harvest 2022. Right there. But a big thanks to you guys. Y'all deserve a huge high five. Thanks for supporting our channel and watching our videos. But yeah, guys, soybean harvest 2022, you can mark it off the list. We're done. What a perfect way to end the day. I even have a broke guard right here in the middle. That's why I'm going like 2 miles an hour. We're gonna limp to the finish line, but we did it. Looks kind of rough.
It does. That needle down here, it's got no antifreeze.
Did you have a checker?
Yeah, I got mine.
What did yours say?
Same thing.
So this works?
I guess. I'm gonna buy a new one though. Yeah. I'll leave that there. We're gonna have to drain this. Damn.
Well, it looks like we got some rain last night. We got about 1 inch pretty much everywhere. So today we'll be working around the shop. Probably just gonna be me and Dad today working around here. So what we're gonna do, we got some 20-degree weather coming in the next couple of days. So we're gonna start checking all the engines for antifreeze, make sure we got the right amount in there. We'll start on the 18-wheelers first, then we'll move to the pickup trucks, and then we'll move to tractors, to combines, to rogators, and you named it, everything else, pivot motors and all that. So yeah, we got a lot of checking to do. Let's see, update on the cotton picker. The final drive did not come in. They're thinking hopefully Wednesday now before it comes in, which is fine because we're rained out. It is good and wet. So we won't be doing any picking cotton anytime soon. But the reason it did not ship out that Friday is because it was Veterans Day. So anyway, we're a couple days behind on when it was supposed to get here. So if anybody was wondering, that is why that's where we are on the cotton picker. So let's get to draining some water. There she goes. Go! Coolant. The temperature can get all the way down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit and we're still okay. So that's gonna be all right. I think it's time to get rid of the greasy gloves. They got holes in them anyway. And I'm getting everything pretty nasty, everything I touch. So we'll see if we got some new ones in the truck. Right there. Oh yeah. See ya. Two. We're good. Ooh, look at that one. 5 balls floating. That's a record. Man, that baby will go down to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Probably gonna be the winner. This one right here, the F250, the old one. Only one ball. So basically what we have to do, we have to go around and basically winterize everything that might freeze. All the pumps, anything that had water in it at some point, we have to go drain everything. So we'll drain this, take this plug out. Woo. Okay, got the plug out. Now I'm gonna wrap it up with that tarpaulin over there. Keep all this from freezing. Something we have to do every year. I know it doesn't look like the prettiest job, but it'll do the trick. So far, we got 3 vehicles that are on the need to add list. White Volvo, PA's black truck, and the blue Freightliner all need antifreeze. And the way I'm keeping up with that, that's why you see the hood's up. So if they need antifreeze, I leave the hood up So we know that. Moving on. Woo, it's coming down pretty good now. All right, time to move inside for a little bit. Starting to rain pretty good. So what I'll do while it's raining, got the rogator right here. It has still got the row crop fenders. These babies right here. Anyway, it's time to take them off. So we'll pull it over there in the shop while it's raining, and this will be what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, taking off these bad boys. It's not.
Huh?
No, it isn't.
It is.
It isn't.
It's in my coat pocket. Look at that.
You're never gonna get it.
I won't get it. Please call it me. What is this reservoir over here? Little old windshield washer.
What we're trying to do is this truck right here needs about a gallon of antifreeze, and we're trying to drain some of the water off so we can add a gallon. But we're having trouble finding where to drain plug.
Getting warm. Alright, you start putting it in.
Slip. He's gonna be low.
Oh no. Dad burn it.
I don't know if you can tell, but Dad is not happy about buying more antifreeze. You want to check it? We'll let him check it.
Yeah, what you got? 2.
That's okay. That's 5 degrees. Grief, that thing is dirty.
Big time dirty.
Good night. Want to take a guess? Huh?
I think it's alright. I didn't add it water.
3 balls, 4 balls?
4.
4? 4 it is. We got 5 balls.
It's probably solid antifreeze.
Well guys, that's probably gonna be it for the video. It is just nasty out here. It just will not quit raining. Looks like it's gonna rain all day. But still got the cotton picker to do. Check it for antifreeze. Still got a couple of tractors. Still got some irrigation motors to check, but I'm not gonna bore y'all with that anymore. But anyway, that's it for the video guys. And if you're still watching and you want some long sleeve Triple R Farms t-shirts, anyway, go check out our website, www.triple-rfarmsal.com. Should be up here. Go check it out. And also, we got the kid sizes. A lot of people were wanting t-shirts for their kids. We got those on the website too. But as for this video, guys, we are done. Thanks for watching as always. You guys are the best, and we will catch y'all on the next one. We're out. See you.